For centuries, honey has been used not just as a food choice, but as a natural medicine due to its numerous medicinal properties that range from eliminating bad bacteria in the body and healing burns and wounds. For the best results, antioxidants, and medicinal properties, it is best to consume raw, organic honey, as this contains the most beneficial plant compounds and healing nutrients. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible ways that honey can be used as a natural medicine source and promote the overall health of our body and prevent disease. First, honey is incredibly rich in potent and powerful antioxidant compounds that can reduce damaging free radicals that can lead to disease. Raw honey contains important antioxidant compounds that can provide medicinal benefits by boosting immunity and ensuring our immune system is strong and functioning efficiently. These antioxidants include organic acids, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, which make up a potent healing combination. Amazingly, regular consumption of high-quality honey can help to increase antioxidant values in the blood, which has been linked to the reduction of unwanted chronic disease such as heart disease and stroke, and even reduce the risk of some types of cancer. Consuming raw honey is not only good for boosting immunity, but it is also great for our overall heart health. Its potent antioxidants and nutrition have been shown in studies to help lower blood pressure while also improving cholesterol levels, both of which are important for longevity and reducing the risk factors of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that raw honey can help to reduce both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol, while also significantly raising good HDL cholesterol. It can also lower triglycerides, which is not only beneficial for our heart, but has medicinal properties for those individuals at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Raw honey also has tremendous medicinal properties when applied topically, and has been used for centuries as a natural treatment for burns and wounds. It has been shown to be an effective treatment for diabetic foot ulcers and can help heal diabetic ulcers more generally. This is often associated with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can nourish and heal surrounding tissues and provide important medicinal effects. Raw honey is also an effective natural treatment for unwanted skin ailments, such as psoriasis. Even more, the antibacterial and antimicrobial properties of raw honey can help to reduce bad bacteria in the body, and again boosting immunity and reducing the risks of infections and certain diseases. Specifically, raw honey has been shown to be an effective treatment for upper respiratory infections and can reduce cough symptoms and improve sleep and sleep quality. Just be sure that raw honey is correct for you. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.